Hi, we're here today at eimports4Less filming a short video about a vehicle that just came in on trade here today. Really special one. This is a 2010. This is a Chevy Camaro. It's a 2SS with the V8. This car's got 1,600 original miles on it. Bought by a collector out in the Midwest and really never driven. He ordered it brand new, Inferno Orange with the Inferno Orange and black two-tone interior. You can see it's got the body kit on it, the 21-inch two-tone wheels, factory moonroof in the car. It's got the rear spoiler, striped kit, and really basically brand new condition. Looks new, smells new, drives new. So we'll take a quick walk around here. There's not going to be anything to tell you about condition wise other than to tell you that if you know what a brand new one looks like, you know what this one looks like. So this car's, it's got more to do with equipment on this one because, most don't have this level of equipment. Especially with the sunroof and the body kit. Those are two hard things to find, and it's definitely very, very hard to find them together on the same car. So we'll take a quick walk around this one. Again, 1,600 original miles on a one-owner 2010 that's never seen a drop of rain, never spent a night outside. So let's take a look at the interior on this one. Again, this is the Inferno Orange interior with the black sides. So you got black carpets. Let's get a focus on this if we can. Smells just like a new Chevy inside, so nothing really to talk about condition-wise. Nice clean interior, clean exterior. You can see the stripes on the car. Those have like a metallic finish to them. So, of course, you could see all of the pictures on this car on our website at eimports.com. There'll be about 50 pictures of the vehicle inside now, the Carfax report, all of the details, build sheet, all of that stuff. If you're interested in owning this one, you think it's going to look nice in your garage, give us a call at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.